This is Ginny's, I believe it's his third day on Steady to Wing. So we're going to put a bird out here. For Ginny, you'll get to see her, hopefully, when we flush the bird. She's steady to the wing. And again, this is her third time. And before you go on to this Steady to Wing, you want to make sure your whoa command is down. You just can't jump on there. You don't want to start teaching whoa on birds. You want to make sure your whoa command's solid before you go anywhere near this Steady to Wing. You'll see Ginny, you can notice we're still on the lead. We're not ready to come off the lead because these steps you need to do, whoa being one of them. Then you start onto the Steady to Wing once you have the whoa down. Then you go to steady to flush, and we'll move on. And you'll see all that as we go on with these little tapes, segments, and we'll show you Ginny's progress as we go forward. So let's get going and see how she does today.
Great. Uh-oh.
That was a mishap on that bird. That bird was
Got underneath.
Trap. So what you can see here, the way we're doing it, is she's picking up on the bird scent. She's locking up. We have a trap. Before we started all this, we did steady to wing. Started her with steady to wing, hand flushing birds, right? Just to get her head set and seeing a lot of birds without smelling the bird. This is the second step to steady to wing, with her actually smelling the bird and going on point. And so it's a little bit of a different setup because you step up the excitement level on every phase you go through. But you have to nail that first phase down, which was steady to wing by hand flushing birds. And then you move on to the trap, having her smell the bird, which is another level of intensity for the dog. So as you can see, she's still on lead. We had the lead on the ground. We did have a mishap with the bird. Bird didn't blow up right away. It was underneath the trap, but it did flush. Went right by her, and she stayed right there. Good girl, no correction on her, no reinforcement at all, and she stayed there. So we're getting close to be able to get her off the lead. And let me tell you, even though the lead's on the ground, she knows she's on the lead. So this is why you have to get through on lead, standing there, by her side, the lead on the ground, to off lead. Once we are real comfortable and she's real steady to all of this, what we're doing today, another few more sessions, then we'll take her off lead. Once we have that down, we'll go to steady to wing and shot, which is another level of intensity for the dog. And we start off on the same principles, real close to by her side, on lead with the shot, because we know she's going to break. And we just move on. Again, you'll see this as we go forward with these segments. You'll see all this. So we're going to set up another bird for Ginny and keep going, see how she does.
Very good.
Ginny, gone away. Gone away. Good girl. Good girl. Ginny, gone away. As you can see, Ginny's locked on the bird, and we're just going to simulate us flushing. She should stay there. And Rob, just kick around. Keep kicking around, Rob. Keep kicking around. Doesn't take us a couple more. We'll do that drill later as well.
Okay.
But not today. Come to your dog. Come walk right to your dog. Ginny, gone away? Now you see how we're pulling off that bird, right?
Perfect.
Absolutely perfect. Okay. Get on, Ginny. Get on, Ginny. Get on, Ginny. Whoa. Okay. Nice point that she's doing there.
Where's the trap?
Fifth time this afternoon on this. This is the fifth bird. Stay in the window. Again, we're stepping away. We're getting a little more confident in Ginny's abilities right now, as she's showing that she's doing very well. She's showing very nicely that she's doing a good job. So just kick around here, see if we can flush that bird, and hopefully Ginny will stay right there. Helpful when you pull out the pin on these.
Oh, sure. She's still there.